Kristen.
Hi.
Welcome to BSWI. Oh, welcome back.
Thank you.
How you feeling? How you doing?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
A little tight, a little sore.
Okay. Anywhere in
But
particular?
lots to work on.
Okay.
Yesterday in the gym, again, super tight in the glutes. I feel restricted in my hip, kind of through the groin.
Okay.
And then
on the right side there.
Right side, and I would love a good neck adjustment.
Of course. Lovely. Let's get started.
Okay.
Come on back. We're back at BSWI and we're here with Kristen. She was a big basketball player.
Yeah, I was right-handed, so I feel like I was always leaning towards this side and like forgetting to work on this side as often.
Yeah. And you're talking about the pinchiness, and so that, when it comes right when you close that ankle.
Yeah, I feel like even when I cross my legs, I start to feel that deep pinch. And then in different yoga poses, like pigeon, I feel really restricted through the back, glute med, glute max kind of thing. So anything to fix that.
Two things we're going to work on. The hip flexor, we talked about how it goes up like this, and so your rectus femoris, which is a secondary quad, and then your psoas is the one they always talk about. So that, and then basically you have these big adductors here, and adduction does this, and so it's the process of this and this being tight. So what we want to do is we want to do the opposite of that. And so I'm going to put some pressure on the psoas major here as I distract it, and then an adductor is an AB ductor. What I want you to do is slowly kick your knee out so it's going straight. Now, so kind of kick straight. Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
It all starts in the feet. And what happens is we start collapsing that arch, and so it rolls in like this. So we'll check that. And a lot of times you can see that is an issue if someone doesn't have dorsiflexion. They're not going as far this way as they need to. And the first thing I do is check to see if their talus just sits in talar neutral, which is these two little indentations here, two little divots should be about equal. And with her, it's pretty good. So neutral, she's doing okay. It's when she's under load. So the first thing we'll do is we'll check the metatarsal, the first metatarsal, the greater toe. And a lot of people's doesn't move, but hers moves pretty great. And then just eeny, miny, mo, just for the phalanges, it's straight out and just long axis distraction. Not too bad. That's just so if she can grip. Good. Pretty easy one.
Oh my gosh.
Because it's really safe to pull straight out.
Okay.
And then, is that tender there?
Yes.
Yeah. And the navicular is dropped down a little bit, and it's about a quarter inch. And that's because, again, she's rolling into this arch. We need to get this navicular to go up. Now, the way I like to do it is use something called an arthostem. Is that just because it's very specific and it has a lot of speed to it, it doesn't tire. And so it's really a hard adjustment to go straight up, and it's not really necessary when this thing comes in handy. It's kind of a go-to. But some of the bigger adjustments, this thing can't handle. No, so it's gonna be a little tender. Here's some nip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're going to move to the knee.
Oh my goodness.
Lovely. Good. Yeah, you feel how that distracts?
That was a big one.
That was lovely.
Okay.
Because all we're doing is just resetting the joint. Good. Talus again. Good.
Oh, that was my whole leg. Amazing.
Just decompressing. That's what we're doing. Good. People their head. Good.
Oh my gosh.
Good. Let's move to the hip.
That was crazy.
How'd that go?
Good, not as much. I didn't feel it as much as before. Crazy.
That's a pretty good. Deep breath.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
That is what I wanted.
Whew. Good to see how it's not there anymore.
Yeah.
Wiggle. Awesome. Good. Deep breath.
Oh
Beautiful.
my gosh. That was like the exact spot that I wanted. Oh.
Beautiful.
That was a good one.
That was kind of great, yeah.
Or did you reps too?
Yeah. Do it all.
Do it all.
Just fingers, yeah. So dips, you know, we just want to twist those and make sure those are all working. And then pips here, so distal interphalange, proximal interphalange. Good. And then wrist. Right there, you go.
Yeah.
Okay, breathe.
Okay. Yeah, you have to remind me to breathe, or else I forget.
Well, it kind of knocks the wind out of your mouth,
I
right?
know.
Deep breath. Okay. Again.
Oh my god.
Good job.
Good job.
Oh my god.
Awesome. Good.
You just read.